Today I am going to show you how to create a banner for your YouTube. So first of all, go to Adobe Photoshop and then you need to create a template which pixel size 2560 into 1440. So follow me. Here it's coming. Create a new template and give it size to 2560 cross 1440 pixels. CMYK, color is white, and this create. Okay, now create a new, this time white 2560. Okay, but height is 423. Height is 423. Color this time I give it to blue. Create. Now move it here, and make it to the middle. Okay, so I turn it to the middle. So making it to the middle, I need to use this. I use this and click here. Okay, manually place it to the middle. It's okay, it's middle. X and Y equal to 0 inch. Okay, it's now in the middle. So now again create a new template and this time create width equal to 1855 and height is 423. This time give its color to green, then create. Okay, move it now, convert to normal layer and move it here and click here and place it to the middle, accurate middle. Okay, it's X and Y equal to 0 inch, that means it is the middle. Now again create a new layer, this time width equal to 1546 but height 423 and give its color to the red. Create. Now move it, convert to normal layer and move it here, place it accurate to the middle. Okay, so X equal to 0 0, that means is the middle. Now place a ruler, so place here, here you need to place the ruler. Now here need to press ruler, so it's very important, so I need to zoom to place the ruler accurately. Here I place the ruler and here I place the ruler. Okay, and now I need to place this two sides ruler. Okay, it's and here a ruler, and again I need to place a ruler here and here. It's complete. See that this is the desktop area, and I give it color to black. Okay, this is the desktop area and its size is 2560 cross 1440, and this is the area of viewable on all device, viewable on all device plus mobile, mobile view, and its area is 1546 cross 423, and this area for tablet, device, and this area for desktop. and size is 2560 cross 423. Now I will place a banner here. I already created it. I open it now. It's my banner. I move it to here and place it. It's the viewable on all device. I don't need this, so I will remove all this to same color. My background color is white, so I turn them into white, and my banner is complete. And now I save it. If you don't want to create this, then you can download this template by scanning this. Now test is it working or not. Here my banner is viewable on all device, and this for desktop, and this for viewable on all TV. So my banner is working. Thanks for watching this video.